Well, hello there, fine speculators of the internet. My name is Rod. I'm the Futures Fanatic. Welcome back to the Futures Fanatic channel here on YouTube. It is part of TDG, that's the Trader Zev Group. Everything I say and do here is for educational purposes. Make sure you look both ways before crossing the street and don't eat yellow snow. Hey, I make a lot of content on the futures markets, the best markets for active day trading, and I get a lot of questions and comments about these videos, which is fantastic. Please leave your questions and comments. I try to get to as many as possible. But tonight I wanted to very briefly fill you in on when it comes to prop programs, how they work, how you get paid, how the subscription works, all that good stuff. I'm going to show you where you can find that information for each program. Sometimes it's a little hidden, so I was going to turn you on to that. By the way, I did a video yesterday on a $23 $25,000 account from Leeloo. That's the last video after this one. You can check that out. That special is going to run all week. You can also pop into my trade room if you're interested. So if you want to know more about how these programs work and you have any questions about them, I wanted to point out that I'm just going to go over to Bulenox or Bulenox. I always pronounce that incorrectly probably. But where you want to be, folks, is on the Help Center. So go to the Help Center. Don't stay on the home page and read all about the subscription charges and the profit objectives and things. If you really want to know the nitty-gritty about the programs, go to the Help Center. So here on this Help Center, if I go to the master account, that's what they call their funded or paid account. It's going to give you all the details about how they work. And I want to point out just really briefly, a lot of them are very similar. So they're going to have similar types of payouts. Some of them gate the amount of money that you can get over a certain period of time. And if you don't like it, that's just the way the programs work. You got to know how the rules work. So again, go to the Help Center. Here's the Help Center on Bulenox. On UProfit, you would come to the Help Center right here. That would take you to this area here. And if you wanted to know general questions, supported platforms, but let's go to their UProfit live accounts. So the UProfit live accounts, you're going to find out all about how they work once you're in a funded program, how you can take withdrawals. Question I get asked a lot is, does the subscription end when you pass? The answer is your subscription ends, but then you have to pay usually a funded account fee of some kind. It's like $90 at Leeloo. It's $150 at UProfit. It depends, and they'll tell you what it is, and all your information will be here. So again, your friend is the Help Center. Come over here to Apex, and what you want to do is go to their Help Center, right? So I don't know if it was very clear. Help Desk right here. You go to the Help Desk. That takes you right here to the knowledge base. And Apex has, because of their popularity, has definitely gone out of their way to create a whole lot of help support articles here, as well as videos on how everything works, not only when you're in the evaluation, but the most popular question I get asked, and I fully understand it, is, hey, have you been funded by this company? Have you taken a withdrawal from any of these firms? And the answer is funded with all of them now, except for PJ Capital, which is a new one that I'll be adding. But I haven't taken withdrawals from all of them for a variety of reasons, partially because I like to build up a big buffer, if you will. They call it safety net at some firms. And also there's some gating, so you can only take a certain amount at a certain time. And I only have so much time in the day, so I'm mostly trading my live accounts. Or I'm spending time in our live trade room. I'm going to give you a link here. I'll put in the description below to a brand new replay page that I set up. A lot of people say, hey, I don't have time to be in that room. Do you record the sessions? And I normally don't, but I'm going to record a couple of them every week because we're in there looking to pass this $25,000 program. So let me just give you a quick sense of what that looks like. You click, again, I'll drop a link to what this is. It's traderzevgroup.com/room-replays. I'll put it on the screen here as well. I'm going to click right here, and this is about an hour and 12 minutes. If you can't sleep, you might want to watch a replay of a room for an hour and 12 minutes. We had an $81 profit trading our $25,000 Leeloo account, which you can pick up for 23 bucks. Let me go to about the 110 mark because I know that's about when we had a trade that was fun to manage and watch. I'm going to go over here to about 110, somewhere like that. And we're in a Dow Jones. Let me turn off the volume. You don't need to hear me speak twice. And these are our brick wicks, folks. So this is going to be a little blurry here in the video replay that I show. It looks pretty good in the room. I mean, it's not high quality 4K, but the goal is not to watch every tick on our charts. It's just to understand the positions, the entry. So I call out the levels, I call out the entries. It's not a monkey see, monkey do kind of environment. We talk about situational fluencies and context. You don't have to trade my style. You don't have to use NinjaTrader if you don't want to, but if you're going to do the Leeloo programs or most of these funding programs, the platform usually is NinjaTrader. You get these bars, you get my all my training, you get everything I got if you want to come into the trade room. And again, you can check the link below this description. So here we're managing a trade. This is a single contract on the MYM. We got in pretty close to that swing bottom there at 35,199. And as I'm talking, I'm just trailing this up. I'm trailing it up manually. I do not use ATMs or automated trade management inside Ninja because I just sort of want to reinforce and be able to manage each position as I talk through it. I think we get stopped out here in just a moment. I'm showing it over there on the 30-minute time frame as well. And let's see, I think we're going to get stopped out in just a moment. Doesn't matter. We get stopped out and we put up as you can see from the replay here, an $81 day, which is about 5% of our profit objective. We have to do $1,500 on this $25,000 account. All right, that'll be it for tonight. Again, your friend is the knowledge base or the help center. Look for the help center and you can get all of your questions answered. I don't mind the comments. Please drop them in there, but we want to slightly get away from just being lazy when all the information is available on these companies' websites. That will be it. My name is Rod, the Futures Fanatic. Thanks for checking in. If it's your first time here to the channel, you want to learn more about the best instruments and products for active day trading, it is the futures markets. Drop me a little subscribe, like the video if you do, and turn on the bell notifications so you can be notified of the next time that I broadcast. That's it for tonight. Stay green, trade like you mean it. Thanks.